Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Lessons in Live YouTube channel. My name is Camieldaamen. I'm an Ableton certified trainer and an electronic music artist. I have a platform called Lessons in Live where you've just landed. And I've been a musician for 23 years, been touring through Europe and abroad, playing on quite some festivals and parties over the few years, releasing on labels. I've released on Viva Music from Steve Lawler, Todd Terry's in-house music label. Been most of all been a house head, so the next release is on Just Butler's label, and I try to release a lot of music. I also make ambient and make dub techno. I just love making music. And a few years ago, I started Lessons in Live because I want to share the fun and share the knowledge that I've built up over the years. So there's a big Lessons in Live Facebook group that I run with my friends Nikesh and Ari. And we also run the Ableton user group Amsterdam, where we do remix competitions. We do all kinds of stuff on their polls. So check out what's happening there if you want to know more about Lessons in Live at least. Also, there's a website, www.lessonsinlive.com, where I do events, so masterclasses. Sometimes I do a 3-hour masterclass where I produce a track and people can join for $10, and $5 more go to the forest in Brazil because we need to save the planet. Besides those masterclasses, I also do beginners and advanced courses in producing, mostly focused on Ableton, but for the advanced course you can also join if you're using a different DAW. I also have private lessons. I have students from all over the world, from Kuwait to Australia to Vancouver to New York, anywhere in the world really. I try to help as much people as I can, and if I can't, I have my buddies Ari and Nikesh to teach the people. So yeah. Welcome to the Lessons in Live YouTube channel. I have a lot of cool interviews as well, which I do with artists from around the world. It's called Dive in Live. Every Wednesday evening, I try to do a session with one of the artists where they share their screen and they share their projects. And besides that, the Dive in Live tutorials are also fun, hopefully for you to watch. So have fun on my platform and check out what I do and get in touch if you need help or if you have a question. And thank you so much for checking out my channel. And I hope to see you soon online.